We already learned the addition and subtraction of algebraic expression in the earlier classes. Okay, here first addition, how we add two expression, algebraic expression. Okay, first we write these two expression separate row. Okay, why we adding these two expressions like terms, write like terms one below the other. Okay, for example, first row 7x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, second expression 9x minus 10. 9x here like term should write in one below the other minus 10. Okay, and add it. 5 minus 10 equal to minus 5. Minus 4x plus 9x, 5x. 7, bring down 7x square. This is plus sign. 7x square plus 5x minus 5. Okay. Next question. Add 7xy plus 5yz minus 3zx, 4yz plus 9zx minus 4y minus 3xz plus 5x minus 2xy. These three expressions are write in a row. First 7xy plus 5yz minus minus 3zx. Next 4yz plus 9zx. 4yz, here 4yz, how can you write it? Below the 5yz plus 4yz. Its sign is positive, plus 4yz plus 9zx. Minus 3zx and 9zx are like terms, should write in below the minus 3zx plus 9zx minus 4y. No y term is there, should write it here minus 4y. Separately you can write it minus 4y. Okay. Next one, minus 3xz. xz and zx are both are same. Then minus 3xz plus 5x. Any x term is there? No x term is there. Should write it plus 5x separately. Okay. Minus 2xy. Here minus 2xy. Okay. Should write it 7xy plus minus 2xy. 5xy plus 5yz plus 4yz plus 9yz minus 3zx plus 9zx equal to 6zx. 6zx minus 3xz equal to plus 3xz. 3xz and 3zx also same term. Okay, you can write it 3xz or 3zx. Minus 4y, no other term y term, then you can write it same term, should write it below minus 4y. Same thing, plus 5x also. This is the final answer. 5xy plus 9yz plus 3xz minus 4y plus 5x. Next is subtraction. Subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3 from 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Okay. Here there is a word from. Okay. Very important. Okay. From 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Which expression you can write it first? This expression you should write it first. Okay. From this expression subtract 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. Here when you subtract the two numbers, you should take the additive inverse. The same rule you can follow here also. Okay, 7, first you write is 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Second expression 5x square minus 4y square plus 6y minus 3. What's the additive inverse of these 4 terms? What is the additive inverse of 5x square? Minus 5x square. What is the additive inverse of minus 4y square? Plus 4y square. Next additive inverse of 6y, negative 6y. What is the additive inverse of negative 3? Positive 3, and add it. Okay, first we have to write it, this expression, algebraic expression, 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Take the additive inverse of 5x square, minus 5x square. Okay, what is the additive inverse of minus 4y square? Plus 4y square. But plus 4y square means, should write in that 4y square. Okay, 8y square and 4y square like term, should write it there. 4y square also below it, 8y square plus 6y become what? Minus 6y. Should write it here, minus 6y minus 3. Minus 3 become what? Plus 3. Okay, then add it. Should add that. First we should write it, this expression, and take the additive inverse of second expression and add it. Okay, 7x square minus 5x square, that means 2x square. The same term should bring it down, minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 4y square plus 12y square plus 5x, bring down. Okay, minus 3y minus 6y minus 9y plus 3. This is the final answer. 2x square minus 4xy plus 12y square plus 5x minus 9y plus 3. Next, exercise 9.1. Identify the terms, the coefficients for each of the following expressions. First one, 5xyz square minus 3zy. Okay, here two terms are there. Okay, how many terms? 5xyz square and minus 3zy. Okay, terms 5xyz square and next term minus 3zy. What is the coefficient of 5xyz square? This is a numerical factor. Numerical factor means 5 is the coefficient. Okay, what is the coefficient? 5. What is the coefficient of negative 3 is zy? Negative 3 is the coefficient. Okay, next one, 1 plus x square. Terms 1x square. Okay, what is the coefficient? Coefficient means what? 1 is a constant term. What is the coefficient of x? 1 is a constant. Then x, what is the coefficient of x? 1. Okay, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Next, algebraic expression, 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square plus z square. How many terms are there? First term 4x square y square. Second term negative 4x square y square z square. Third term is z square. Okay, what is the coefficient of 4x square y square? 4. What is the coefficient of negative 4x square y square is z square? Negative 4. What is the coefficient of z square? 1. Okay. Next, algebraic expression, 3 minus pq plus qr minus rp. First term 3, second term negative pq, fourth term qr, third term qr, fourth term negative rp. This is a constant. no variable part is there. First one. Second term negative PQ. What is the coefficient of negative PQ? Negative 1. What is the coefficient of QR? 1. What is the coefficient of negative RP? Negative 1. Next, the fifth one. X by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. How many terms in it? 3 terms are there. Okay, first term x by 2. Second term y by 2. Third term negative xy. Okay, what is the coefficient of x by 2? This x by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into x. This is x by 2. Okay, the same as y by 2 also you can write it 1 by 2 into y. Okay, then what is the coefficient of x by 2? 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x by 2. For 1 by 2 you can write it here. Okay, what is the coefficient of y by 2? 1 by 2. What is the coefficient of negative xy? Here negative xy can be written as negative 1 into xy. Okay, then coefficient of negative xy is negative 1. Okay, next 0.3a minus 0.6ab plus 0.5b. First term 0.3a. Second term negative 0.6ab. Third term 0.5b. What is the coefficient of first term? That means 0.3a. That means 0.3 is the coefficient of this term. What is the coefficient of negative 0.6ab? That means negative 0.6. 0.5b. 0.5 is the coefficient of this term, 0.5b. Okay. Homework. Exercise 9.1, question number 2.